welcome to another TBL update. This is actually the first one we've ever published here on the YouTube channel. But we do these weekly inside of our membership site, the Business Lounge, and these are updates that are exclusive for those of you who are members inside of our mentorship community, the Business Lounge. Now, if you've never heard about the Business Lounge, it's an amazing, growing, and supportive community where you get to learn all about leveraging digital marketing to grow your online business. We have a whole repertoire of 20, I think right now we have over 21 courses in our growing course library. We add new ones all the time, plus we have quite a few quick tips. I think we're about 30 or 40 quick tips. In total, we have about 450 training videos, plus you get to ask me questions and work with me directly inside of our Facebook group and our forum community. We do fun things like live Q&A sessions every other week, and it's just a supportive community that'll help you get to that next level in your online business journey. Now, we're going to be posting these more frequently here on the YouTube channel because so many of you guys who are subscribed to the channel also are part of the membership site. And so it's really important that every week you know what's new inside of the membership site and what's going on in the community. Yes, it is a paid membership site, but it's very cost effective. So just in case you're wondering, that's what this video is all about. So going forward, we're going to be posting these Business Lounge updates so that if you're not a member, you can take a look behind the scenes at what is going on inside of the community, inside of the membership site. And then if you are a member of the Business Lounge, which again, many of you guys are, then you get to know what's new inside of the community because there is a lot in there. And sometimes, you know, it could be nice just to get a little bit of an update on what's going on behind the scenes, what are some of the things that we're adding that week, and all that fun stuff. So without further ado, let's get into the update. So happy Monday, Loungers! I'm so excited to be back at ya with another update video on what's going on inside the membership this week. Now, many of you guys were participating in our live Q&A last week, so the first update that we have for you is that replay is live. If you didn't get to show up in person or, you know, live, I guess not in person, just live and ask questions, that's totally okay. You can catch the next one, and of course, definitely watch the previous one for last week. The replay is available for you. I think it was about 2 hours long per usual. I'm sorry, we're trying to keep it a little bit shorter, but you guys asked so many amazing questions. It was a really good session, so highly encourage you to check that out. Now, update number 2 is all about our lead magnet critique. I asked you last week over on the Facebook group to post your lead magnet or submit your lead magnet opt-in page as well as your lead magnet, so I could take a look and give you some feedback, give you some critique in terms of what you could be improving to really nail your lead magnet and make sure that you're growing your email list by converting more of your traffic into actual leads. That was really fun. You guys were super excited about it. And many of you didn't make the cut for the first round. That's okay. You asked if we could do a second round, and we're gonna go ahead and do that now. By the way, Einstein is joining us. If you haven't met Einstein, he's Brian's little kitty and he's the cutest. So anyway, he's here. Anyway, so let's make sure that you've opted in for your lead magnet critique for this week. If you haven't done that already, definitely go over to the Facebook group. I'm going to be linking to everything below if you're inside the Business Lounge membership so that you can access all of that good stuff. Now, update number 3 is all about a fun behind-the-scenes look of what we're working on in the membership. I'm so excited about this because, as many of you guys know inside the membership, Brian is my developer, and he's been custom creating some really fun features for you guys. For a long time, we've wanted to have the ability of filtering content inside of the library, and there's so much in there, from courses to workshops to expert sessions and quick tip trainings. We wanted to put everything in one central location. Many of you guys didn't even know the quick tips existed, and so we want to make sure that you're getting the best training at your fingertips. So we're creating a whole filtering system where you can filter via content type, so you can look at courses versus workshops versus expert sessions versus quick tips, but also you can filter via business stage. And this is so important. If you're going through the success path, as I hope you are right now, it's so important that you're only focusing on the topics that are going to literally help you leverage, right? Whatever content you're creating, whatever business stage you're in, whatever resources you have available to get into the next stage of your business, to get to that next level. So we are going to be filtering specific quick tips, specific workshops, specific courses that are only available or should only be consumed within that business stage. Now we do have the success path and all of the content is linked in that stage, but a lot of you kind of want to skip ahead. And so if you wanted the ability to see all the content for one stage in a different page outside of the success path, you can definitely go ahead and filter through it. In the coming, hopefully, week or two, we're going to be releasing this new feature. And then last but not least, you're going to be able to filter via topic. So let's say that you want to learn about social media, or you only want to see resources about email marketing, or you only want to see video content or productivity or mindset. All of those topics are going to be filtered within the content library, and you get to access them at your fingertips. I'm so excited about this new feature. You guys have no idea. It's been a long time in the making. Both Pearl and Brian are working really hard behind the scenes to make this happen, and of course I'm there providing my insight and my feedback as well. So pumped about this. I think it's going to be a really big game changer in our community so that you can utilize the resources that we've put so much work and energy into creating for you guys at your fingertips in a much easier, more user-friendly way. So those are all the updates that I have for you here in the Business Lounge membership. Per usual, whether you're part of the membership or not, I would love to hear about your top 3 goals for this week. What are you going to be working on in your business? What are you going to be focusing in on? And come Friday, what are some of the goals that you want to have met throughout the week? It's really important that you really start getting into the habit of posting your goals, whether it's here in the Facebook group or if you're watching this on YouTube, in the comment section as well. Hold yourself accountable. Let's have a conversation about it, and let's make sure that we're working together towards growing our businesses in an effective and very intentional way. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the community this week, and bye for now.
So, you know how building an online business can be totally overwhelming? You're probably learning new strategies from YouTube, other blogs, podcasts, and taking courses that are all great, but sometimes give you contradictory and even confusing advice. I get it. It's hard to filter through which strategies you should be implementing right now to grow your online business versus the ones that you should stow away for the future, when you're actually ready to implement them. And that's exactly why we designed the Online Success Path. Inside, we broke down the 6 stages of a successful online business: validate, launch, hustle, breakthrough, profit, and scale. And we designed a complete roadmap inside the Business Lounge membership just for you. Inside each stage, you will find a step-by-step action guide tailored to the specific challenges you'll encounter during the stage of business you are currently at, complete with getting started tips so you can know exactly what to expect, video tutorials so that you can implement new strategies, action items so you stay on track, plus full-blown courses to help you focus only on the tasks that will accelerate your progress right now and take you to the next level in your business journey while keeping you accountable and overwhelm-free. So if you're ready to take your online business to the next level, get started at jointheblounge.com.